Hi and welcome to Brayley Mazda in Milton Keynes. In today's video I'm going to be showing you the Audi A4 DF66 PYO that we've had come into stock just today. Going to be walking around the vehicle, showing you the general condition of the car and also point out some of the features. So this particular model is the Quattro automatic and the S-Line specification as well. You can see the Quattro badge just there. You also have front and rear sensors on this vehicle, which I'll show you on the rear sensors as well. You get the upgraded alloys on this model due to the S-Line specification, and I'll also show you the S-Line badging just there as well. The vehicle's finished off in this lovely solid white, which really goes with the vehicle well. You've got keyless entry on the doors, hence the little cutout just there on the door handle. Tinted windows on the rear as well. There's your rear alloy just there. And as you can see, so far the vehicle is in immaculate condition. The previous owner really did keep this vehicle in great condition, as you can see. You have your dual exhaust on the left hand side there, maintaining that sporty look from the S-Line. Rear sensors just there as well, and then some further Quattro badging just there as well, and the TDI showing you the 2 litre diesel 190 PS engine in this one, and with the Tronic automatic box, this vehicle really does move very quickly. Again, continuing round, and just like the other side, no damage whatsoever. Finishing off with the front alloy there. And that is the exterior. So what I'll do now is I'll move on to the boot and then onto the interior. So here we are with the boot of the A4. As it's the Saloon, you have a lot of depth with this boot. Suitable for holidays, shopping. You can fit quite a few suitcases in this boot here. You do also have a three-way folding rear seats as well, so a three-way folding configuration just at the back, which again gives you a little bit more practicality and options. Original manufacturer's mats, which you do get with the vehicle, and then underneath the floor here you also get your space saver spare wheel, and then the wiring going underneath is actually for the Bang & Olufsen sound system, which I'll show you in just a moment. But as you can see, the vehicle is very well spec'd and would be an ideal family car. Move on to the interior now. So moving on to the interior of the vehicle, first of all I'll show you the door card. You've got this stunning aluminium trim, which also goes onto the front doors, which I'll show you in a moment. Bang & Olufsen sound system also in the rear, but I'll also again show you that in the front seats as well. The interior is finished off in a really nice leather and cloth upholstery, as you can see. Has the iconic Audi design on the seats as well. You've got your ISOFIX points as well for child seats in the back. Air conditioning as well for the rear occupants, which actually has a digital display, so you can see it's very useful for the rear. And then you've also got your centralised armrests, as you can see. Moving on to the front of the vehicle. So as I mentioned, on the rear you've got this very nice aluminium finish to the door cards. Again, you've got your Bang & Olufsen sound system. I'll go over some of the features inside in just a moment, but you've also got a boot release as well in the door card. Electric seats, as you can see, and again the front seats are also finished off in this stunning leather and cloth upholstery. S-Line symbols as well in the driver's seat and the passenger seat, and you can see the interior has been kept in a great condition as well, just like the exterior. What I'll do now is I'll move on to the interior specification and show you all the equipment in there. So you join me now on the interior of the A4. So first of all, to show you the keyless start procedure, so you've got the start engine button just there. You put your foot on the brake, press the button, and there we are. Straight away, you can see that's all live there. First thing I want to show you is the miles. So on this vehicle, you've only got 30,675 miles on the clock. So low mileage for the age of the vehicle, hence the great condition as well that the vehicle's been left in by the previous owner. As I mentioned, I'm going to go through some of the specification of this vehicle, starting off with the steering wheel. So you've got your controls for your screen in front of you here. So when you click mode, this will change the screen in front of you, as you can see. And then the scroll wheel just there will change the screen as you can see it. On the right hand side, you have your volume controls, as you can see there, as well as your voice commands. You have your headlight controls just there for your indicators. You do also have headlight controls just down there as well, which I'll come on to in a second. Automatic wipers, your settings are just there as well. And then just down here, you have your cruise control dial there as well. On the back of the steering wheel, you can see you've got the automatic plus and minus paddles for the shifting of the Tronic gearbox. And again, like I mentioned just a moment ago, you've got your automatic headlight controls down there with front and rear fog lights. You have your electronic wing mirror controls just down there, and then automatic and electric windows all round. Also on the steering wheel, you have your S-Line badging. Moving on to the main entertainment screen, so with this Audi here, you have a lot of things to go through on this vehicle. I'm going to start off in cars, so you can see you've got your different drive modes in there. You've got your sound system controls, which, like I mentioned, you do have the Bang & Olufsen sound system in this one. It's a great sound system as well. You have your DAB radio controls. Media, so you have your Bluetooth connectivity in there as well. Telephone, again, like I just mentioned, you've got your Bluetooth controls there. Navigation. You've got your sat-nav screen, as it just have built-in sat-nav. You also have Apple CarPlay in this model, which again is something that you're probably going to be using most of the time anyway, but you do have a built-in Audi sat-nav should you not be able to use the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Finally, got your settings, so you can change all your brightness settings and other things as well just in there, as you can see. Then you come down to your air conditioning controls. So it is a touch sensitive control, so should you put your finger there, it will, even just hovering over the button will activate. It is dual zone climate controls, so you can change both passenger and driver controls, as you can see. You have a few buttons down here for your, first of all, your parking sensors. You can turn your screen off over there as well. If I just show you the parking sensors in use as well, there you are. And then you also have a drive select changer just there as well, so again, to demonstrate that, you can see you can change all your driving modes just there as well. Here is the controls for the entertainment screen, as you can see. Shortcuts just there, favourites. It's a really easy system to use in the Audis. Here's your Tronic gear lever. Again, has a quite nice leather finish and aluminium finish to it, so it feels very premium in here. Moving down, your electric handbrake. You've got a centre armrest just there, and then you slide this back, and then inside here you've got your USB connectors for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Finally, I just want to show you here, you've got your Quattro badging just in here as well, just to reiterate the S-Line Quattro system in this model here. So I hope you enjoyed this walk around video. If you are interested in this vehicle and would like to come down and drive it and see it in person, then please contact us on the details below. Again, this vehicle won't be here for that long, as you can see it is in great condition and low mileage, so definitely come down as soon as you possibly can to have your chance to get the vehicle. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll speak to you soon. Thank you.